Enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Charming Farmhouse Summer Home Tour from Jenn at Clean and Scentsible. This season, we've embraced the elegance of farmhouse style, blending rustic charm with summer freshness. Explore how to infuse your home with warmth and beauty for the perfect summer ambience. The front entryway features a simple planked wall, brightening up the space with its fresh white finish and contrasting beautifully against pops of color. A ladder as a stand for a lush fern, adding a touch of greenery to the entry. In the dining room, the first room visible from the front door, the decor is kept simple yet elegant. The Dowel Bowl succulent planter serves as a stunning centerpiece. Foul hydrangeas and greenery in the hutch enhance the farmhouse feel, while a vintage-style baking sign from Decor steels, placed above the hutch, adds a charming focal point. The simplicity and elegance of these decor choices not only highlight the farmhouse style, but also make the space inviting and perfect for summer. Now continue watching this video because there are many summer farmhouse style decor ideas that might inspire you. We hope you enjoyed these charming farmhouse summer home tour. Embracing the elegance of farmhouse style can transform your home into a summer haven filled with warmth, charm, and natural beauty. Remember, the key to farmhouse decor is simplicity and a connection to nature. Happy decorating!